We're DKTCG Cave and we're gonna take you along with us to get ready for our Whatnot show.
First things first, we're gonna get the buyers giveaways ready, which is 2 packs of Journey Together for this week's stream. Now this is my favorite part. I get to curate the show. I pick about 18 to 20 really good cards to put on our back wall. And then we have around 150 singles that we run on our streams. And we like to incorporate sealed Japanese booster packs and English packs. So we typically have around 200 auctions per night. This week's back wall is going to incorporate a lot of English tag teams and some megas. A lot of people have been asking for them.
All right, now let's get the text side set up. Make sure you open up the correct show. Now we're going to hit that add button and then create a quality listing. Make sure you upload a photo, and then we're going to go over and then hit this auction tab. We're going to start at $1, and then for reserve, we're going to make sure that we hit the correct show. Now let's go over to our product details. We're choosing Pokemon cards for the category. We're gonna write out our title and description and also put in our quantity. Since we are selling Pokemon singles, we're gonna go over to the shipping profile and choose 0 to 1 ounces. Once you hit publish, you can go back to your show and then see the listing that you just made show up. Now we're gonna redo this whole process over again, except for our pack bundles. We still start these bundles at $1, but since they weigh more, we need to create a separate listing with a different shipping profile. So we choose 1 to 3 ounces for this one. Now it's time to make our giveaways. Let's go over to that giveaway tab, hit add, do temporary listing. We're gonna do trading cards and Pokemon cards for our category. Then you can write out your name and description. Description is optional. And then scroll all the way down to the shipping profile, and we're going to choose 0 to 1 ounces. We choose 0 to 1 ounces because we give away 1 free Pokemon card. And just remember, you as the seller are responsible for the cost of shipping for giveaways. As for actual materials that I use during our shows, I always make sure that I have card savers, extra top loaders, penny sleeves, and also team bags right next to me. That way, when Dave passes the card off to me, I'm able to properly store it and make sure it stays organized. I also like to have pre-numbered stickers right next to me too.
And that's how we get a show ready. Here's a sneak peek behind what our show is going to look like for this upcoming Friday. If you like singles, everything here runs at $1, so check us out at DKTCG Cave over on Whatnot. We'll see you there.